Morning guys, hope you're keeping well. Welcome back to the channel. Okay, today we're going to have a little go at seeing if we can get this dent or dents damage out of this roof panel. I'm not sure if we're going to be able to do this or not. If not, it looks as though we might be able to get another roof panel that'll have to be fabricated in. But we're going to give it a go. We can't do much else because of coronavirus. So, okay, let's have a go at it. Okay guys, so to help us with this little roof job, we've bought ourselves a little kit off Amazon. 30 odd quid I think it was or something. It's a bit of a slide hammer, so so we'll put this together and see how that goes. There's got some pads here that you glue on with a hot glue gun. We've got an industrial glue gun here, so you stick these on and then pull against the pads to get the dents out. So we'll give that a go. There we go, and that's it to assemble, guys. So let's and there's a little bits that come with it, plenty of them I have to say. So, which are those things there? Right, let's have a go. Okay guys, so we'll put a few on to start with, see what happens. Now this is industrial glue, and it's an industrial hot glue gun. It's not something that you'd buy out of a hobby shop, so I'm not sure if you get to work with the cheaper versions. But we'll give it a go, see what happens now. That was good. First one we tried broke off, so yeah, that didn't hold very well, did it? Held on the car, not on the piece. Right, I'll try another one. Well, that wasn't very good at all, was it? We never made any impact at all there. Absolutely nothing. No impact whatsoever. I'm wondering if we just, saying that one didn't hold on the... I was going to say if we roughen up the pieces, maybe the glue might hold, but that's come off the paint on that one. Having said that, looks like we put there over some tape, old tape or something. Okay, we'll give it another go. Okay guys, well that was not very successful on that roof. I tried to get at it from the inside as well by pushing it out, but no real success there. In fact, I'll just show you where I was trying to get in. 2 seconds. Yeah, I was trying to get in through these holes here. No real success. I mean, it was pushing it out a little bit, but it's certainly not going to get that whole dent out using those holes, that's for sure. I think we're going to have to put a new panel on it. I don't think we've got much choice other than start knocking holes in this panel, and that's not a job for me. It might be for someone else, but that's not for me. So this here, so this is above the doors. This isn't part of that roof panel, so we would have to repair this. So we're gonna have a go with the slide hammer to see if we can get this little dent out here. It doesn't look a lot, so we'll see what happens. Well, that was not successful at all, guys. That top one was really taking some hammer, and don't think it's moved at all. Don't think I might have done, but doesn't seem to. You know, I've just took these wind deflectors off as well. I need to tidy these up. These were broken this side where the horse caught them. Right. Okay, and to get this glass out, I'm going to have a go at taking off this panel here. Not sure if you can see that on there. It looks as though it's held on by some snap-off plastic rivets. So I think we'll have a go at drilling them out. Yep, no problem with that, guys. Yeah, you do need to drill them out from the inside, and then it's clipped on the A post with these plastic clips. Looks like we got 3 of them off, no problem, and then the 4th one broke off, so we're gonna have to get another clip there. But yeah, okay, then we can have a go at getting this glass off. There you go, guys, and the glass is off this side now. All cleaned up, ready to accept the windscreen. Well, we've done the roof, that is. Yeah, we've got a windscreen arranged. It's about 100 quid. So as soon as the coronavirus thing's out the way, we can go and collect that with a few other bits. Yep, so that's looking good. Right, guys, I think we're going to call that a day, and we'll perhaps come out tomorrow and have another look. So if you like what we're doing, please give us a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, please do so. And we'll hope to catch you in the next video. Take care, guys. Bye bye.